everyone. You're welcome. If you want to own a YouTube channel to make money from YouTube, you can actually do so by designing clickable thumbnails for creators who are uploading videos. And trust me when I say it's actually a creative skill. So this simple skill fetched me about $120 in a week just because I presented my thumbnail designs the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to present my work in a simple format and attract clients to get paid. So work with me, let's do this step by step. So your first page is your cover page. Here you just add your portfolio title. You can write YouTube thumbnail design, portfolio. Okay. Just check your spellings. Then this the title. And increase the fonts. Just design it and make it look nice. Then the subtitle under it, professional. I don't want to use capital letter here. So for content creators. So clickable thumbnail design for content creators, then you can add your brand name. For example, Justifies by Justifies. Okay, so this is my subtitle. And I want to change the font color like this, and I want to highlight this. So do what feels good to you. Okay, and bring this down. So just should be simple. Keep this page clean, so don't add too many things, as your goal is to make it look simple, bold, and professional. Now let's move to the second part, which is the thumbnail samples itself. That's part of your portfolio. Is where the clients see what you can do. So you just have to choose the best green works that you have. You don't have to add everything. Just make it simple. So add your thumbnail designs and then section them into their style according to their niche. Like this is beauty thumbnails. So this makes your portfolio easier for clients to understand. So I've done this. So here they are. This is the story thumbnail. And this is a tutorial thumbnail, make money niche. So this is how you just categorize them. So after adding these thumbnails, the last page should be your contacts and your call to action page. You show your clients how they can reach you, and then you tell them this is what I do and all. So here I have justifies my email, then my Instagram. Here I put the link to my Instagram account, the location, and then let's work together. Need a clickable thumbnail for your next video. Create a bold and clean, eye-catching, and all. Make corrections where necessary. Here, so it just looks professional. Okay, so I offered a freebie, of course, because everybody likes free things. So this is the simple portfolio design. If you use Canva, you might have something like this. For Canva, you let me know in the next in the comment section if you want me to create this using Canva. But this is just a document, and it works well also. So here you add your contact details, so you can just include your name, your WhatsApp address, your TikTok handle if there is any. Correct every spelling errors and make the arrangement look neat. So the simple format is your cover page, your sample, thumbnails, your contact page. That's all. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just start your best designs and then present them well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials on design and make money with digital skills. I am here to help you.